Hi, this is how to submit your ePortfolio so that it will go into our grade box so that the reviewers can look at it in the grade box. The main thing you need to know is here's the home page where you go to access the template. Every time that you're going to access your template to work on it, you should enter in the same place. So I'm going to say start building. Of course, I've already started building. This is actually a student example. This is, I don't have one of my own, so I'm using a student, and all I've done is change the name just so that I can, you can see it says the ePortfolio of Marsha Davis, just so that I can make sure that this is working the way I want it to. Now up here there's a save button, which you want to save your changes regularly. On the left-hand side of the save button, there's a submit button, and you can say it says submitted 1/30/2020, and then it's asking me, do I want to submit again? You would just, if you've never clicked that button before, you would just click that submit button. I'm going to just click it again just so that we can see, and it's merging all the pages, and it says you're about to submit the assignment listed below. Confirm your submission, and I'm going to say yes, submit. And then it's going to basically send this portfolio, all the changes that you've made so far, it's going to send it into the assignment inbox so that the reviewers can access all from one box. And that is all. And it says, you can see down here, it says send me an email. You can say yes, always receive submission emails. That'll basically just be a generated email that says yes, your submission went through, so that you don't have to worry if the submission did go through or not. And that is how you submit your ePortfolio. Thanks. Bye.